Chinese mobile phone brand Itel recently established an assembly plant in East Cairo as an alternative to importing the products. Itel is locally producing smartphones, AirPods, and smartwatches.
We have been in the Egyptian market for 9 or 10 years as importers, but in 2022 we started manufacturing in Egypt. Assembling here is cheaper for us than importing. It lowers the price of our product and increases our share in the market. We also have easy access to export from Egypt to nearby markets.
Itel is working with Mas Misr, a factory that assembles for several other brands, producing about 4,000 smartphones a day. Experts here say China plays a pivotal role in Egypt's localization drive.
China is the main supporter for Egypt, with many brands here. We didn't have any experience before, but the Chinese teams arrived here. They trained us and gave us the experience. They also taught us how to train others and how to manufacture the product at the same quality as in China itself.
Industrialization is the core of Egypt's economic development strategy.
Egypt had set a target for non-oil exports to reach about $120 billion per year by 2030, up from about $40 billion in 2024.
Producing locally instead of importing is having a positive impact on the economy.
Egyptians will benefit. For instance, we have 170 workers on each assembly line, and when we increase production, we will employ many more. Factories are also providing training to create a skilled workforce. Having these factories will also help increase state revenue from taxes and exports.
Mobile brands have flourished in Egypt, and local assembly plants are gearing for export markets, especially to sub-Saharan Africa through the African Continental Free Trade Area, the AFCFTA.
Our mobile phone imports have dropped by nearly 90%. Most is now locally assembled. In 2024, we produced 3 million pieces in Egypt, and by the end of 2025, we will produce 10 million pieces. Our main focus is to export within Africa with the free trade agreements. Egypt wants to become the hub for China to export to our neighboring countries. That's besides the market in Turkey and EU.
To reach this end, the government is building a strong base for industries, laying out necessary infrastructure and incentivizing manufacturers through tax breaks and other non-tariff interventions to help spur investments into the country. Yes, Hakim for CGTN, Cairo.